Urang ba nong ilam jeng jaj benriu Meitei basong basa anong ba Shillong ulapan pau ba jingja ka balaja po ka jala Manipur kadai ka jingja ka ba omshim lapoi perkhat bat Kular ba kini snoh tilang na banta banunra e ka jingsuk jing saiñ hapo ka jala Meghalaya yagani iboya Meitei ulapan pau hadian bala dep ka jingilang bala khot daw Director General of Police ka jala Dr. LR Bishnoi na ka banta ban ommi kana ngono ka jing thau jing lumar anong ba Shillong hapadeng gini ki arjai benriu ki bala Kular ba nonra ka syongsuk jing saiñ anong ba Shillong.
He had called the community leaders, the elders, the student leaders and student communities from border communities. Basically, these two communities we all hail from Manipur, namely the Kuki communities and the Meitei communities. In fact, this meeting has been convened in connection with some untoward incidents happened in our hometown or your home state Manipur. So somehow some stray incidences also started happening in the state of Meghalaya, where these two communities are residing here. Basically, the communities residing here are the elders who are working here, and then secondly and mostly the maximum community members are from the student communities, both from the communities. So during the meeting, yes, border communities, we are very much willing to join hands in prevailing the peace in the city of Shillong. Yeah, in fact, this is a very sad incident, what we had seen and witnessed it in the state of Manipur. And then I believe and I hope the competent authority of Manipur will try to prevail the peace in the state of Manipur again. And this is very unfortunate. I will say that this is very unfortunate. These are some of the demands from the certain communities of Manipur, that is Meitei. So these are, I hope and I believe these are all looked into by our competent authority in the state of Manipur.